People always ask, how do you make others respect you without being rude? The truth is actually very simple. It's all about your energy. Real respect comes from a combination of three things: confidence, the type that comes from real achievements; politeness, and not being an over-people pleaser. You must control and balance these three. If any part is missing, the energy doesn't work. Let's start with confidence. And I don't mean fake confidence. I mean the confidence that comes from having real things you are proud of, a real skill, a real talent, something you worked for. For example, maybe you're really good at badminton, or drawing, or studying, or cooking, or anything you've practiced and improved. When you're excellent at something, your energy changes. People can feel it instantly, and honestly, people don't dare to offend someone who clearly has discipline and skill. This is just the reality. Imagine a person in your school. There's always that one student who is very excellent. That student is talented, polite, and confident. Would you dare to offend that student or think that their politeness is a weakness? No. You would automatically respect them. This shows that your abilities are extremely important. Without real abilities, most of the time people will misinterpret politeness as softness. I'm not saying that only capable people deserve real respect, but this is the reality and part of human instinct. People naturally respect those who are capable and excellent. But here's the important part. You cannot be an over-people pleaser. If you always say yes, if you let people push your boundaries, your energy becomes unbalanced and people start to lose respect. So how do you balance it? Here's a simple approach. Be confident in your abilities, speak and act politely, but learn to say no when necessary. Set clear boundaries and communicate them calmly. Prioritize your own goals and values and don't sacrifice them just to make others happy. Now, you might worry, if I set boundaries and say no, will people be unhappy or stop being my friends? Yes, some people might be unhappy at first. But if you have the aura of a capable, skilled, and valuable person, people will still respect you and want to maintain the friendship. Your value and energy make them less likely to offend you, and they'll naturally continue to want to be around you. So don't worry, having boundaries doesn't push people away. It shows that you respect yourself, and that's exactly the kind of energy that earns respect. And if someone is still rude to you, even when you're polite, that's their problem. Other people will see who's wrong. Those rude people will often end up looking foolish, like clowns, because their behavior reflects poorly on them, not you. Life has a way of dealing with people like that. Call it karma if you want. But if you choose to be rude back, you only ruin your own mood and your whole day. Stay confident. Stay polite. Keep your balance. Their behavior reflects them, not you. At the end of the day, your own abilities are what truly matter. If you are a very capable person and you combine that with politeness, you will definitely gain real respect. So focus on improving yourself, building your skills, and maintaining your balance. Keep your energy strong and respect will naturally follow. If this message helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this reminder today.